Omukoro gwo kuhereza ababuuriza abatendekerwa kuba bahurebe kanisa ya Uganda hitendekere ya Uganda Bible Institute gubireho izoba lya nyuma abazyo. Abatungira amabaruha gabo go kubasya hidara ryo bwahure bashabwa kwerinda kuriye nguzi omu makanisa aho baratumwe.
It was necessary, and they were able to take in our rebuke and our punishments.
Abaheereza ba Mukama bona bashabwa kugenda bakaburira engiro mu bantu ombwiro bo bw'abantu behwira amasuko.
Sima omukuru w'itendekere principal wetu abo kutwakira yebare abo kutwakira twaresika amabaruka gatwira ku rw'abureberezi kandi tukahikaha obuheereza bwona tubutungireje okwatanisa na administration na staff kandi tiine ekitukendewe okumazira.
I want to thank you so much for bearing the road of training. Even the Jirangu, Orukunaga, Aganyafi, Umana Motreti, Nomsisi, when it was a Aganyafi kid, actually it's down. We didn't spare a road. We anticipation that our friends are going to become more polished.
Abeja abana barugumbureberezi bwa Kigezi, North Ankole hamwe na Ankole Diocese. Umuganda w'ubureberezi bwa Bunyoro kitara buryo mu kwetebekanisa zo kwesimira emyaka 50 n'ubuhereza entama za Ruhanga kandi bukarugaha bureberezi bwa Ruwenzori omwaka gwa 2022 nabatekateka ngo umwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni naija kuba mugenyi mukuru kandi byahambwa Bishop Sam Kahuma obu yaba nabuganaho abanyamakuru.
This coming Saturday is the 29th of October 2022, exactly 50 years since we became a diocese. And therefore, the synod of the diocese planned very well and deliberated and made resolutions to this effect. Resolutions that the diocese should celebrate this golden jubilee.
Kahuma yagira ngo mu myaka 50 bakozere ibintu byinji nko kuombeka enju y'umureberezi obusaba dikoni nabwe bweyongire hamwe n'ebindi.
But generally, as we started, we were very small. Geographically, we were very huge, but we were very small in numbers, we were very small in infrastructure, we were very small in personnel or human resource and things like that.
Yagira ngo ntunguko mu cweka cya Bunyoro habwa amajuta nabo nkekanisa tebasigire nyuma bitaruhe ebizibu byinji ebo batongire nko bushuma bwitakariye kanisa.
We did not have any health center. Today I think we have 5 health centers. One of them which is also aspiring to be a hospital, Asia Christian Health Center.
Gasha kwa Michael Tumwachire na Nwagaba Ambrose Katoto.